Headlights and taillights ensure that you can see and that your vehicle can be seen, even in reduced visibility. The exterior lighting system consists of lighting, reflectors, and signaling on the front, rear, sides, and in some cases, the top of vehicles. Headlights, both low and high beam, fog lights, and daytime running lights, help illuminate the roadway in all types of lighting and weather. Signal lights communicate your directional intentions to other drivers. Brake lights, both side and center mount, tail lights, and reverse lights, make sure your vehicle is visible from behind and signal to other drivers when you're stopping or reversing. Parking lights and side marker reflectors ensure your vehicle is visible at a full 360 degrees. Hazard lights flash in the front and rear of your vehicle, warning other vehicles to use caution when crossing paths. While it's important to have your tires, brakes, and fluids regularly inspected, having your exterior lighting system checked is a simple yet critical safety element that shouldn't be overlooked. Our factory-trained service technicians will ensure all of your lights are in full working order. We'll check and recommend any needed maintenance or replacements for weak or burnt-out bulbs, broken bulb casings and reflectors, the wattage, type, and wiring of installed lights, and we'll ensure proper aiming and beam pattern for optimal visibility. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.